In a world where silence was rare, a musician sought harmony in chaos. He ventured into the wild, capturing whispers of wind, rustling leaves, and distant thunder. Each sound was a note in his symphony, a testament to nature's voice. As he crafted his album, he pondered, can art change the world? His heart echoed, yes. The album's release was a revelation, each purchase funding forests and oceans. Listeners found solace realizing they were part of something greater. The musician smiled, knowing his notes were seeds of change. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.